Hi everybody, welcome to on Mathmax tutorial. Today we have seen super fantastic integration, and today example on integration is integration tan x divided by 1 plus tan x plus tan square x dx, and what is the exact solution. To watch simple solution, to watch video till at the end. Okay, now let's do start and think about this equation. Yes, okay, therefore given integration I is equal to, I can write integration tan x and divide by this is 1 plus tan x and plus this is the tan square x dx, and we know that the related formula for the 1 plus tan square x I can write here sec square x. So above integration becomes as this is the tan x and divided by this becomes as sec square x plus tan x. Now we can adjust the term sec square x plus tan x in numerator. Yes, okay, therefore we can arrange integration in the numerator as sec square x plus tan x. We can arrange this term here, tan x same as meaning, and so I can here minus sec square x and divided by we can write sec square x plus tan x and dx. Now we can this separate integration, and I can write here this term get cancel, and only here we get here 1 dx minus integration sec square x and divided by we can write here sec square x plus tan x, okay, and dx. So I can write here integration of 1, that's mean this is the x, and minus this is suppose let I1, and this is equation suppose say 1. Yes, okay, and this is equal to I. So I is equal to, I can write here x minus I1. So now we can find the solution for I1. Therefore I1 is equal to, this becomes sec square x and divided by this term sec square x plus tan x and dx. Now here observe the derivative of tan x, the present in numerator, that means this is the sec square x, and this sec square x we can convert in the tan x. Okay, therefore we can write as this is 1 plus tan square x. Therefore above integration becomes as we can write this is the sec square x and divided by this becomes 1 plus this is the tan square x plus tan x and dx. And now I can here put the substitution method. So here substitute suppose t is equal to tan x, and we get the derivative dt is equal to sec square x and dx. Therefore above I1 integration as becomes we can write as dt upon this become t square plus t and plus 1, and this is like a quadratic equation. So I can calculate here third term. Yes, okay, therefore third term we can calculate 1 by 2, and coefficient of t is compulsory, t is 1 and bracket square, therefore we get here 1 by 4. Yes, okay, and this term we can add the and subtract. Okay, this is actually third term, so we can add and subtract. So we get here t plus t square plus t plus 1 by 4. Yes, okay, bracket complete, and this is the plus 1 and minus 1 by 4. So now we can find the solution. Yes, okay, so I can write as I1 is equal to integration, this becomes dt upon, and this is the actually t plus this is 1 by 2 square. Yes, okay, 1 by 2 square and plus here, okay, the 4 minus 1, that means this is the 3, and we can write 3 by root 3 by yes 2 and bracket square. And we know that the related formula for this special integration x square plus s square, we can know that the 1 by a tan inverse this is x upon a and plus c is constant of integration. So I can write here I1 is equal to 1 upon a, that means this is the root 3 by 2, and tan inverse x term, that means this is t plus 1 by 2, and a means this is root 3 by 2 and plus c is constant of integration. So final I can write here I1 is equal to 2 upon root 3 tan inverse in bracket this is we can write here 2 times t plus 1, and this is root 3, 2 to here get cancel and plus c is constant of integration. Okay, and now back put here. Yes, okay, therefore Now I can back put here t is equal to tan x. Therefore this integration I1 becomes, I can write I1 is equal to 2 upon this root 3 tan inverse in bracket, this is the 2 times tan x plus 1 and divided by root 3 and plus c is constant of integration. So this value I1 is equal to, I put in the equation 1. Yes, okay, and we get the final solution, and so interesting. Yes, okay, therefore I is equal to, we get x minus and only the value for I1 2 upon root 3, this is tan inverse in bracket 2 times tan x plus 1 and divided by root 3 and plus c is constant of integration. Okay, and this is my amazing integration solution. Yes, okay, if you like then share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.